I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up on GoFundMe. For that, you'll need to open up browser on your phone. After you open up browser, search gofundme.com on your search bar. This way you will directly land on GoFundMe's website. Now tap on Start a GoFundMe. Enter your first name and your last name. Enter your email address. After that, set a password. Be sure that your password has at least 12 characters, one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one symbol. When you are done, tap on Next. Enter your phone number for verification. Then select how you like to receive the verification code. After you are done, tap on Send Code. Now you'll receive a verification code. Enter your verification code. If you want to keep the device you are using verified for 30 days, tap on the small square box and then tap on Verify. Select where you live and choose a category for fundraising. After that, select Next. Set your fundraising goal and then select Next. Now you'll need to choose a photo or video that best represents your fundraiser. Tap on the plus sign. You can either upload from phone, take a photo, or add a YouTube link. Tap on Next when you're done. Now enter your fundraiser title and your reason for fundraising. Then tap on Complete Fundraiser. Now select Next. Now you can share your fundraiser with your friends. When you're done, tap on Next. Again, select Next. If you want to add a team member, enter their email address and then tap on Send Invites. If not, tap on Skip for now. This way you can sign up on GoFundMe. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.